gathering information is the first step where a hacker tries to get information about the target. Hackers use different sources and tools to get more information, and some of them briefly explained here. This information will be useful for you to become an ethical hacker. What is information gathering? Information gathering is the act of gathering different kinds of information against the targeted victim or system. It is the first step or the beginning stage of ethical hacking, where the penetration testers or hackers, both black hat or white hat, perform this stage. This is a necessary and crucial step to be performed. The more the information gathered about the target, the more the probability to obtain relevant results. Information gathering is not just a phase of security testing. It is an art that every penetration tester, pen tester, and hacker should master for a better experience in penetration testing. There are various tools, techniques, and websites, including public sources such as Voice and Lookup, that can help hackers to gather information. This step is necessary because while performing attacks on any target, you may need any information such as his pet name, best friend's name, his age, or phone number to perform password guessing attack or other kinds of attacks. Information gathering can be classified into 3 major categories. 1. Footprinting. 2. Scanning. 3. Enumeration.